Okay, boys and girls, welcome to the second video on angles. So we're going to be covering, finishing off on our topics. So let's jump straight to the whiteboard. Okay, so we covered what is an angle. We've also covered types of angles and three common angles: quarter turn, half turn, and full turn, and the three types of angles that you can place. So let's another short video. So let's talk about missing angles. So we'll cover this one first. Okay, so missing angles here. So to know missing angles, you got to know your three common angles, which is quarter turn, half turn, and full turn. So let's draw this. So we've got here. So that is supposed to be a corner. So we know a corner, a right angle, will have is 90 degrees. So if I draw it properly, yeah, this angle is going to be 90 degrees. Okay. If we have a line in between here, so let's say this one here, and we say this bit is 45 degrees, and then we have a question asking what is this missing angle here? We call it, what is x? Well, you know, it has to add up, this whole angle has to add up to 90, so x equals 90 minus 45, which is 45 degrees. Okay, right? So you've got to know the angle of quarter turn to answer this question. Let's go on to another question. Let's say you've got a half a turn. Half a turn, if you see it, is a straight line, and if you know a straight line, you know straight away it's going to be 180 degrees. Okay, so let's say this angle, we've only got part of a half line, so let's say this is 40 degrees. Okay, and you got to work out what y is. How do I know what y is? All I've got to do is do this whole turn is 180, so I'll do 180. So y equals 180 take away 40. 180 take away 40. So 180 take away 40 is going to be 140 degrees. Okay, nice and simple. Let's move on. Let's just do. Okay, so let's do a full circle, full turn. A full turn is 360 degrees. So every time you see a full turn, you know it's going to be 360. But let's say it's part of a full turn, and the angle you're given is say 120 degrees. You've got to work out what this angle is here. We call it Z. Okay, what is Z? Well, you know the whole angle is going 360, so Z equals 360 take away 120. Okay, which is going to be let's do 360 take away 120. So 0, 4, 240 degrees. Okay, and that's how to work out missing angles. So okay, let's move on to, let's do angles in a triangle. Now, angles in a triangle, all angles in a triangle adds up to 180 degrees. So just highlight that there. Let's copy these in your notes. Yeah, angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So let's do an angle here. Triangle here. Let's say this is let's say give this 40 degrees. This is say 60 degrees. And you've got to work out what this missing angle here is. We know all of it adds up to 180, so we do, let's say this is supposed to, we label it x. X is going to equal, start with 180, take away the other angles, so 180 take away 40, take away 60. So it's really 180 take away 100, which is 80 degrees. So x equals 100 degrees. Okay, good. Sometimes they might give you a difficult problem-solving question. So let's say here, let's say this is 40, This is 80. This they don't know. Actually, they won't give you this. Let's say they don't give you this one. Okay, but they give you this angle here. Say, if I give you this, I'm going to give you this. As I say, they give you this as 120. Right, because we know this angle here, this is like a half a turn. If this is 120, then this angle here is going to be 120, 180. Take away 120 because it's a straight line. This whole thing is a straight line, which equals 60. Okay, so if this is 60, then what's this angle here? Let's say call this angle B. What's the angle B? It's going to be B equals 180. Take away 40, which is that one there, and take away 60, which is 100. So 180, sorry, 180 take away 100. Okay, that's fine. So that's how you do angles in a triangle. Angles in a triangle always add up to 180. And the last thing you have to know is angles in a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a four-sided shape. Four-sided shape. Okay. Angles in a four-sided shape always adds up to 360. So it's the same principle. So let's say you got four-sided shape here. Call this 60, 40, 130, and you have to work out this missing angle x. So all you do is x equals 360, because it all adds up to 360. Take away 60, take away 40, take away 130, and that's it. So 360 take away 100 is 260. 260 take away 130. 260 take away 130. It's going to be 130 degrees. And that's it. And that's how you do angles. So we covered what types of angles, and we covered in this video we covered the sum of angles in a triangle, missing angles, and angles in a quadrilateral. Okay, great. See you in the next videos.